Wait. Hey. Chainsaw fight. Do it. Take him on with the chainsaw. Come on. Chainsaw battle. Shit, the sun.
My chainsaw is damaged. Fuck that shit.
Go on, boys. Chainsaw battle. Captain, can you help out with the zombie factor there? Come on! Come on, prove your worth, Black. Take this guy down.
Come on, man. Come on, Blackie. No, guys. Get out.
I'm
Fuck
afraid
you. That's my fight and yours. Fucking fight.
Try to shoot them.
Don't mess with them.
Just shoot the zombie. Come on, boys. Chainsaw battle. Who's going to win? Captain, be ready. Captain, you better shoot the guy in the white t-shirt now. Oh, victory! Black, you are a demon with that chainsaw.
Woohoo! Oh, you did.
Good work. Good work.
You know what? Don't let it